Finger 10 sent me for my review these golf tees. These are special. I've never seen anything like it. I love the fact that you've got that line to tell you exactly, if you actually put it in the ground, it will stop where you need it to. And it gives you that nice kind of height for a good drive, basically. But my biggest concern usually is, and they do include these tees here, but my biggest concern usually is tees are this size. And oftentimes you don't have enough surface for a ball to kind of like just set properly. And depending also on your stance and how you're actually gonna hit it. And look at this. This ball is literally in that cup. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. You've got that proper area to like just have it setting. It's not gonna be moving and you're gonna be able to whack it really nice and really straight. So really cool. Love the fact that these are plastic as well. So you're not gonna be breaking them every time you hit, but you've got 30 and 20, meaning 30 of these big ones and 20 of these ones. These ones I usually use on par threes where I'm actually not gonna go that high off. I'm actually gonna just grab it like this in the ground, put my ball in here, and of course it's not set up, put my ball in here and be able to get a nice iron shot off of these. So these two basically will do kind of everything that I need off the deck with these two tees. Great, by Finger 10, and you've got a bunch. And I don't even have to bring this box. I can bring them all in that little pouch and attach it to my bag. Awesome.